Hi guys! This year the list of offers and verticals has expanded significantly on our platform, so you can test a new profitable niche, Nutra, and get inspired by a fresh tutorial. Today, we would like to share the new case study from our partner, which is based on Nutra vertical and low price offers. So let's get started. Firstly, let's have a look on the main settings like Offer, Apollos and Nephro Active. Funnel, testing of different pre-landings with order form. CPA network, iMonetizeIt. Source of traffic, Facebook. Period, from 1st till 8th of May 2024. Geo, Albania and Bulgaria. Spend $550. Revenue, $1,260. Profit, $710. ROE, 129%. The uniqueness of low-price offers lies in geos. For our case study, we use Albania and Bulgaria. They have good potential compared to Western Europe. Albania is a Tier 3 country with a good purchasing power, and traffic here is cheaper than usual, because the price on the landing page is 2,400 lek, instead of the standard 4,800 lek. Approval comes in real time, but CC squeezes all leads on a maximum level, so after a week you will see a minimum 32% total guaranteed AR, if it meets the requirements. Let's move on to the technical part. Here we will use such a parameters like proxies, Ukraine mobile, $37 per month. Accounts, Ukraine accounts connected to business manager. For these geos, showing the spending under the cap was completely enough. Cloak service, iMonetizeIt. Our next step will be the creatives. For this offer, we are using the classic approach for this area. Before-after photos of weight loss plus offer, product and promising text. As a result, the best conversion was for creatives with a weight loss without training approach, where the user was immediately shown the product and the result. Let's move on to the most interesting part of our case study: advertising campaign settings and flow. We choose Facebook as a source. The goal of the campaign is conversions. Launched traffic and made some optimization at the campaign level. The target was at the 35 plus age. Offers with a low price and a guarantee of approval were not selected by chance. Low price means the price of the landing page is lower than usual. For Albania it will be 2,400 lek and for Bulgaria it will be 37.5 lek. Guarantee: 15 leads daily and trash was less than 50%. Guarantee was 32% total for 8 days campaign. These numbers are obligatory conditions for getting a guarantee. CPL. The average cost per lead was about 2.5, dropped $3 depending on optimization. We used rented accounts of real people. One account holds from $300 to $500. Our setup of one king with Facebook Business Manager in 10 accounts cost $15. But 3 out of 10 accounts can't be launched. Pre-landings. According to plans, we put 2 pre-lands in a split, all with a standard theme, personal stories and before-after results. And the most interesting part, the statistics from iMonetizeIt. In a week of running 2 low-price offers with a guarantee of approval, we've got 193 leads. 67 of them were approved by the advertiser and ultimately earned $1,260. As you can see, Eastern Europe shows promising results even in such a short period. But it all depends on geos, offer and creos. That's all for now, guys! Hope this info was useful for you and will be a good motivation for you to try iMonetizeIt Nutra offers. High profits to you and good luck! Yours, iMonetizeIt team.